find the right solutions for any customer, it's important not only to understand their needs, but how the business hangs together in its landscape. The customer landscape looks across a number of interrelated areas, such as the goals and objectives the business sets itself to achieve, the processes which underpin the business, and the technology architecture which enables the business to function. By developing an understanding across the landscape, the Chamonix team can co-develop solutions that will have the greatest impact and generate the most desirable outcomes. We then work together with the customers to plan the sequencing of work and activities across people, process and technology. This becomes the roadmap for delivery. Having a deep understanding of the landscape is vital to making it all come together.
To put it simply, business analysis is about identifying business needs and determining solutions to business problems or requirements. The business analysis function provides foundational data to inform changes within a process, a business, or an organization. At Chamonix, our business analysts develop a thorough understanding of the business or project goals to ensure the functionality yields the best results for the client. How is this done? Our clients often come to us with a solution in mind, but are unable to articulate the problem that they are having with their function or their process or the business. They also may be unaware of the impact that their proposed solution or change has on other processes, business or stakeholders. As BA, we play a key role in identifying the problems, the impact on systems, processes and stakeholders. We aim to provide a holistic landscape to the problem instead of looking at it with a single lens. As part of the discovery phase, our team helps find a robust scope for the project. We also facilitate requirements gathering so as to provide a voice to our clients and the stakeholders that have a vested interest or impacted by the project in hand. This can get tricky sometimes, especially when there are multiple stakeholders involved with conflicting priorities. We document, analyze, and record information to help inform to make these decisions. Business analysts play a key role in liaising within the project team, development team, and between the stakeholders. We also represent them as part of the working groups as well as steering committees. We keep our customers involved and provide them with up-to-date information on status and documentation as required through the course of the project, that is from initiation to close. All in all, we see ourselves as change agents. We help analyze organizational requirements by documenting systems and processes, assessing the business models, and identifying vulnerabilities. We then devise solutions that will yield the best results for our customers.
At Chamonix, we work with our business stakeholders and other project members to ensure that the desired outcome is reached. We will facilitate workshops and stakeholder meetings to understand and define scope, map out current processes, document existing problems, and assist in defining how these processes could work, not just today, but into the future.
The first, most common thread to any solution is, what is the reason for this work? We use a business case and objective statement to clarify this. While simple, this is a highly effective tool that should be used to consistently validate any solution decisions against the reason for investing in the outcome. Without consistent recourse back to the why, it's very easy to veer off track and either over-engineer a solution or add complexity that is not necessarily needed. Add to this ensuring alignment to internal governance and architecture policy, making sure that any solutions follow the guiding principles within an organisation. For example, a solution that adds a new application or cloud-based feature should be reviewed and approved based on multiple factors, including cost, supportability, and security. Our end goal at Chamonix is to always deliver a supportable, cost-effective solution, both throughout the development phase and operationally ongoing. This approach has been proven to help our customers adapt and grow through positive technology outcomes.
Talk to most project or program managers about what they do on a day-to-day basis. and a common response is herding cats. This tends to reflect the fact that in our roles as PMs, we have numerous stakeholders involved in delivering transformation, each with differing and competing needs, agendas, and ideas of what success looks like. Whether you're trying to convince and align executives on the change rationale, getting team leaders to agree to implementation approaches, or driving development, test, and deployment activities with multiple business, technical, and third-party resources, people management and communication skills are your greatest assets. Establishing relationships of trust and confidence with stakeholders, be they C-suite level, operational, or within project and program teams, is key to being able to help organisations realise their transformation journeys. At Chamonix, we bring proven methodologies and toolkits together with the benefit of our extensive experience across a range of sectors to drive successful programs. We focus on how these are adapted for each organisation's environment, culture, and their tolerance for risk that is critical in making transformations successful. This understanding of an organisation's ways of working and how their change needs to be managed only comes through continuous and transparent communications with all stakeholders. When coupled with a no surprises engagement approach and core project management abilities to plan, anticipate risks and manage budgets, this results in a highly effective and valued partnership model that delivers the right transformation outcomes for all.
We see the role of a project manager as much more than planning, executing, monitoring and directing the project. We're there to provide guidance so all parties are aware of their responsibilities and deliverables on the project, and importantly the timeframes they need to work within. We are the go-to person for any issues and blockers. We're a single point of contact who streamlines and channels queries and solutions to where they need to go. This part of the role ensures others, such as the technical team, can progress with their work in a smooth and clear fashion, knowing where to go to get any answers. The project manager role is the source of truth on the project. A project manager is responsible for items such as time and effort and project budget. By knowing every facet of the deliverables, we can ensure the technical and implementation teams are not sidetracked from their work and can deliver as promised on target for our customers.
From a developer's perspective, determining the project and scope and requirements is the most helpful element of working with the project manager. Before agreeing on a project scope, Chamonix project managers and our developers seek to get a clear, mutual understanding of our customers' business goals. It's important that we, as developers, are involved in the initial stages of the scope and requirements planning process. This way, we can help guide the project manager and customer in categorizing features. Together with the project manager, we aim to reach an agreement on scope and feature priority by deciding between the must-have and nice-to-have features. This is often determined by attaching the effort required to develop each feature and categorizing features into practical categories. When we, as developers, are building the product, have a better understanding of its purpose and goals, we can advise project managers more mindfully, minimizing future hiccups and miscommunication.
Our change management capability is designed to be tailored to the unique requirements of an organisation and the transformation changes they are undertaking. No organisation is the same, no change is the same, and no individual being impacted by the change is the same. It's important to be able to quickly adapt to the needs of an organisation and its stakeholders in a way that enables return on investment through adoption, utilisation and proficiency, while minimising resistance and disruption to the business. Our years of experience in delivering successful change has exposed us to many methodologies, frameworks and toolkits, including the likes of ProSci, Cotters, Lewins, Bridges and more. We have taken best practice approaches from each to evolve the Chamonix capability in ways that enable us to manage change as efficiently and effectively as possible. While we have a set of tools, templates and approaches to draw from, we focus our efforts on the actions that will drive the most value for the change and its stakeholders. This helps avoid the perception many organisations face, in which change management can be perceived as a lower value enabling activity rather than a core means of achieving benefits realisation and return on investment. We apply this approach not only to projects and programs of work that are transforming organisations, but also to helping organisations develop and evolve their change management capabilities. Our intent is to coach and mentor organisations to integrate this adaptive way of thinking about change management into standard ways of work.
At Chamonix, we work with senior leadership and staff to ensure there is an understanding of the importance of change management being embedded into large, complex projects from the earliest phase of the project. We instill an understanding of the value, benefits, return on investment that change management implementation has on an organisation. We work with clients and define and demonstrate what success looks like on a project. At Chamonix, we work with organisations to embed change management and to establish it as a core and fundamental part of planning and leadership methodologies. We increase the awareness for the need for change management and its accompanying value and benefits for the organisation.
Chamonix Managed Services offers an as-a-service model that provides services such as cybersecurity as a service, integration as a service, and support as a service. Delivering excellent quality work is our number one priority, and we strive to maintain a committed relationship with our customer. Our team provides the reassurance our customers need that their solution is in the very best hands. Our team is skilled in a multitude of key technological areas, from comprehensive IT support to implementing security policies and managing cybersecurity controls. We provide the required services to guarantee better risk management and reduce costs, which enables our customers to focus on their core business. Providing the very best support to our customers through managed services involves the right practices and processes, and importantly, excellent communication. The processes we develop align to needs and requirements by understanding the customer perspective and creating a lasting relationship between ourselves and the customer. Documentation of both the practice and process of the service provided gives the reassurance our customers need. Chamonix's end-to-end approach means that the solution we are supporting is quite often one that we have built, so we know it well. In all cases, we have the in-depth expertise of our technical team to apply to solutions as needed. All in all, we strive to keep a happy, healthy and reliable relationship, which is achieved by a strongly committed work ethic and following the best practices of our skilled technological consultants.